everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking on to today's video, and if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back, you guys. And for those of you who are new, hi, my name is Aman, and in this channel you will find me guiding you through each step and showing you guys step by step on how to create these easy, creative, inexpensive DIY projects. Since Halloween is around the corner, now as you all have already read from today's title, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how to make Harry Potter's inspired Gryffindor uniform, costume, whatever you guys want to call it. I'm a big Harry Potter fan myself, you guys, and so I've grown up watching Harry Potter. Now costumes can get really expensive. You never know, you might end up finding stuff from just your closet or somewhere you just have to buy just one or two things to complete a costume. And so I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY way to make a easy to make Harry Potter's inspired costume slash uniform, whatever you guys want to call it. So without taking much of your guys' time, let's dive into the video, and without further ado, let's begin with the video. To create this logo, the first thing you're going to need is a printer, Microsoft Word, and the following marker colors that are displayed on the screen. So I'm going to go on Google and type in Harry Potter Hogwarts logo. Once I selected the logo, I'm going to copy the image, and then I'm going to paste it on a Word document. I'm just going to resize it. Once it's been resized, next I'm going to select print, and I'm going to see the size of the image. Once I think that looks fine, then I'm going to select print again, and then once it's printed out, this is how it will look like. And then I'm going to add the colors that I had mentioned, using my phone as a reference to see which colors go where, and this is how it will look like once it's complete. Once the logo has been complete, for supplies, you will need a long black cape, like this, and fabric tape pieces. Next, using my graduation cape, I'm going to place the logo just about there, using some fabric tape piece to stick it on there. Also, if you don't have that, you can try using hot glue gun or a glue that works well with fabrics. Once that's complete, here is the finished look. So far, it's looking pretty good. Now to make the tie, the first thing you're going to need is some felt fabric in the color red, yellow paper, sewing thread in the color red, a stitching needle, a hot glue gun, and tape, also a clip. Now to make the tie, I'm going to first use a felt fabric, and I'm going to stretch the fabric so that the fabric gets a little longer, as you can see the difference. Next, I'm going to fold it in half and draw out the tie using a marker. Once it's complete, I'm going to cut it out and use a red thread, also a needle. I have took out a piece of thread and I put it through the needle's hole, and I've brought the ends of the thread together and tied it into a knot so it doesn't open up, just like this. And when you're doing this, it should be the back and through the front of the fabric. Now once that's complete, I left this little hole just so I can push the fabric through like this so it's inside out. And then once that's complete, I'm going to finish off and thread the rest of the tie. Since I don't have yellow paper, I'm kind of out of it. I'm just going to use this paper gift bag, and I'm just going to cut it up so that I could use the paper, remove the strings. Now using the reference of the original tie, looking at the stripes, they are not exactly the same, so I'm going to slice the paper using this paper trimmer and cut them up in different sizes, with one being a little thinner and the other one being a little thicker than the other. Once that's complete, next I'm going to place the paper strips onto the tie just like this, using the reference of the original tie, and then I'm going to start gluing the strips onto the tie individually. And finally, I'm going to place the clip behind the tie, and as you can see, I've placed a piece of tape so that the tape is between the clip and it's nicely secured. And here is the finished look. To make the glasses, the first thing you're going to need is of course glasses and a black marker. Now I had stopped by a Dollarama and the closest thing I could find was these glasses. I know they look a little crazy, but don't worry, we'll get those fixed. I'm simply just going to remove everything, so like the stones and the feathers on the glasses, and using my fingernails. Luckily the feathers and the stones were not easy to take off, what else I think I would have broken a nail. And once that's complete, I'm going to be using a marker and I'm going to color the glasses to make them a bit more darker black. And here is the finished look. To make the wand, you're going to need is a wooden stick, paintbrushes, hot glue gun, and paints. Now to make the wand, I'm going to be using one of my drumsticks, and yes, I had taken music class in high school, so I did get to learn how to play drums. P.S. I wasn't the best, but I did enjoy playing the acoustic guitar, electric guitar, and the bass. But that's another story for another time, but let's continue on with our DIY. Using reference to the Harry Potter wand, he has this design close to the bottom of his wand, so I had hot glued around the stick, and once that was dried, I had painted the bottom part black and then the upper part brown, just like his wand. Wait for it to dry, and here is the finished look. And to complete the look, you're just going to need is a white dress shirt, black dress pants, and for me, of course, I'm going to be using heels, so I'm going to be wearing some black heels. And it's time for the reveal. Honestly, this came out really good. Luckily, I had the cape already from my graduation. It's a super easy costume to make, you guys, and honestly, it did not take me that long, to be honest with you. And for cost-wise, I would say it was quite inexpensive since I already had the cape and the pants and the dress shirt, of course. And so I think the only thing I had to purchase was pretty much the glasses and going to the craft store and getting the craft supplies, of course. And that was pretty much it, you guys. And that is it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. So don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get notified each time I post a new video on this channel. For all my video updates, you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is _Amanpreet. Follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is _Amanpreet. The links are down in the description below. Today's video shout out goes to Jackson. Shout out to you. Also, in order to get a video shout out, all you have to do is just give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And you'll be easily entered in to get a shout out in my next video. Alright, you guys, so I will be keeping you guys up to date on when I post my next video, which it will be coming up really soon. It will be a Halloween inspired video. Also, don't forget to check out my vlog channel as well. I'm going to be posting another video on my vlog channel as well, so be sure to check that out. And thank you so much. Take care, guys. Stay safe, stay spooky.